Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a VW Beetle convertible top. First, carefully inspect your convertible top for any damage. Look for small tears, worn areas, or issues with the fabric stitching. Also, check the convertible top's frame and hinges for proper operation. Understanding the extent of the damage is crucial for deciding between a simple patch and a more extensive repair or replacement. This initial assessment will guide your next steps. For small tears or holes, a patch kit can be very effective. Begin by cleaning the area around the damage to ensure good adhesion. Cut your repair patch to overlap the tear by at least 1/2 inch on all sides. Apply a specialized fabric adhesive evenly to both the patch and the convertible top. Press the patch firmly into place, ensuring no air bubbles, and allow it to cure completely according to the product's instructions. Sometimes, the issue isn't the fabric but the convertible top's frame or mechanism. Regularly lubricate all moving parts with a silicone-based spray to prevent stiffness. Check the tension cables and straps for any signs of fraying or detachment. If the top isn't closing smoothly, you might need to adjust the frame's alignment. Consult your vehicle's service manual for specific adjustment points and procedures to ensure proper operation. While many minor issues can be repaired, sometimes a full convertible top replacement is the most practical solution. This is especially true for large tears, significant fabric fading, or if the frame is bent beyond repair. A new top can restore your vehicle's appearance and functionality. While a do-it-yourself replacement is possible, professional installation often guarantees a perfect fit and extends the life of your new convertible top.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.